Bollywood queen Kareena Kapoor Khan has never failed to startle her spectators with her amazing looks and acting. Now, she has managed to steal out our hearts with her recent look on the ramp. Check out the mind-boggling look that Bebo just nailed. The impressive diva brought the curtain down on the last day of Lakme Fashion Week 2021 as she walked the ramp for Gaurav Gupta. The actress was a showstopper for the designer and brought a satisfactory end to the 5-day event. Kareena Kapoor Khan was wearing a strapless white gown from Gaurav Gupta's latest collection that comes with an extravagant one-shoulder neckline illusion and patterned silver decorations moving all over the ensemble. Many of her fans went gaga over her looks, but most of the netizens went out to troll Bebo over her recent looks. Kareena got massively scored on the internet. On Instagram, netizens ended up typing mean comments on the video, naming her chudel, unhealthy and a lot of other mean comments. From calling her moti to calling her a chudel, check out that mean and body-shaming comments that Kareena Kapoor ended up facing after her latest fashion look was out. A comment read, "Moti ho gayi auntie, ab ghar pe raha karo." Another comment read, "Embarrassing mother of 10 kids lol." One more comment read, "Chudel lag rahi hai." Another comment read, "Koi stunning nahi, bahut moti." Now, talking about the show and Gaurav Gupta's finale collection Redefined, Kareena Kapoor told in a conversation, "This season is even more important because we are talking about sustainability. So the show comes with a very strong message. Apparently, the latest collection principally shows fabrics made from ocean waste." Well, what do you think about Kareena Kapoor Khan's recent shimmery look? Let us know in the comment section below and do share with us what you actually feel about Kareena Kapoor's showstopper outfit.
walking here again after my second baby. It's just been 7 months and I feel amazing to have walked the ramp today. And for Gaurav, of course, 2015 I walked for him. That was much before Taimur and Jay, and now after 2 babies I've walked for him again. Hopefully not for 3 times now. But we'll keep walking. No, please. We'll keep walking, we'll keep redefining beauty and fashion, and Lakme has done that time and again. And of course, this time's collection is about the bold lip, which is, I think, a color for every girl out there. Everyone would love it, whether it's the color I'm wearing right now or whether it's the statement red. I think we've picked and chosen colors that's for everybody. And yeah, I hope to be back again very soon. This time round also it was, we had everyone seated in the cars because obviously he was very kind enough, because I'm also hyper because of the kids at home. But next time I'm sure we'll be completely COVID-free and it'll be even more spectacular.
We're already looking forward to that. Thank you, Kareena. I must ask you one last question, though. I think everybody here, with Lakme launching the Lakme Absolute Precision Lip Paint Collection, I think we want to know if you have a favorite shade.
I think, like I said, that there's a shade for everyone. I think wearing one of Gaurav's spectacular couture gowns that he's known for making, I think if you throw on a statement red or a pink or even like the cherry color I'm wearing, I think you can rock an entire evening with that.
Thank you. And I think with that, I'd like to thank you all for bringing this presentation to us, for giving us the most glamorous end to the 5 days of Fashion Week. And yes, thank you so much. Until the next time we see you, please take care.
Thank you.
Good night, everyone. Thank you.